أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فكيف إذا توفتهم الملائكة يضربون وجوههم وأدبارهم. Then what will happen to them when the angels come at death and pound their faces and backs? ذلك بأنهم متبعوا ما أسخط الله وكرهوا رضوانه فأحبط أعمالهم. This is because they followed what Allah condemns and were careless about what may win His blessings. Consequently, He defeated their exploits and made the actions worthless. أم حسب الذين في قلوبهم مرض أن لن يخرج الله أضغانهم. Do those whose hearts are sick think that Allah would not eventually expose their aversion towards the believers? ولو نشاء لأريناكهم فلعرفتهم بسيماهم ولتعرفنهم في لحن القول والله يعلم أعمالكم. And if we will, we can point them out to you and you would recognize them by their visible marks, even though you can still recognize them by the tone of their voice, for Allah surely knows what you are all doing. وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ حَتَّى نَعْلَمَ الْمُجَاهِدِينَ مِنْكُمْ وَالصَّابِرِينَ وَنَبْلُوَ أَخْبَارَكُمْ. We will certainly put you through the trials to mark those among you who strive in the cause of Allah and who endure with patience, as well as to mark your performance known. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا وَصَدُّوا عَنْ سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ وَشَاقُّوا الرَّسُولَ مِنْ بَعْدِ مَا تَبَيَّنَ لَهُمُ الْهُدَى لَنْ يَضُرُّوا اللَّهَ شَيْئًا وَسَيُحْبِطُ أعمالهم. Those who are bent at denying the truth and who also obstruct others from adhering to Allah's path and who oppose the messenger, then even though they do recognize the guidance he brought as true, such one can do no harm to Allah the least, and He will certainly defeat their exploits and make their actions worthless. يا أيها الذين آمنوا أطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول ولا تبطلوا أعمالكم. O believers, obey Allah and obey the messenger and do not render your deeds worthless. إن الذين كفروا وصدوا عن سبيل الله ثم ماتوا وهم كفار فلن يغفر الله لهم. Surely those who are bent at denying the truth, who obstruct others from adhering to Allah's path, and who then die as unbelievers, Allah will never forgive them. فلا تهنوا وتدعوا إلى السلم وأنتم الأعلون والله معكم ولن يتركم أعمالكم. Do not let the weakness of the heart overtake you, and do not call for peace when you have the upper hand in battle, and when you know that Allah is with you and that He will never deprive you of your merits. إنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو وإن تؤمنوا وتتقوا يؤتكم أجوركم ولا يسألكم أموالكم. And know that the present fleeting life in the downward is merely a playground and an amusement, and when you believe and guard yourself from displeasing Allah, He will award you your recompense, and He does not ask you for your monies. إن يسألكموها فيحفكم تبخلوا ويخرج أضغانكم. In fact, should He ask you for it and urge you to do so, you will hold it to it niggardly, and then He will expose your moral failings. ها أنتم هؤلاء تدعون لتنفقوا في سبيل الله فمنكم من يبخل ومن يبخل فإنما يبخل عن نفسه والله الغني وأنتم الفقراء وإن تتولوا يستبدل قوما غيركم ثم لا يكونوا أمثالكم. Here it is. When you are invited to spend on the path of Allah, some of you hold back. And whoever is such a hoarder, it will be to his own disadvantage, for Allah is rich and has no needs, while you are poor in need of Him, and if you still turn away, He can substitute you with other people who will not be like you. O my Allah Pak, O my Lord, please grant us the knowledge and wisdom of your holy book, as well as give us the courage and confidence to apply this wholesome knowledge onto ourselves and pass it on to others. Ameen Ya Rabbul Alameen. Thank you, my Allah Pak. Thank you, my Lord.